Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Volkswagen Passat key. First, ensure you have all necessary keys, including at least one working key. The process typically involves a series of actions within your vehicle's ignition and door lock system. This method helps synchronize your new key with the car's immobilizer and remote functions. It's a straightforward procedure that can save you a trip to the dealership, provided you follow the instructions precisely. We will cover the steps to get your new key fully operational. To begin the manual programming sequence, first insert your existing working key into the ignition. Turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Immediately remove this key. Within 5 seconds, insert the new key you wish to program. Turn this new key to the on position for approximately 15 seconds. You might hear a chime or see a light flash, indicating the car is recognizing the key. After this, remove the new key. This step helps the car learn the new key's transponder code. Once the transponder is recognized, you will need to synchronize the remote functions. Insert the newly programmed key into the ignition and turn it to the on position. Within 10 seconds, press and hold the unlock button on the key for about 2 seconds, then release it. Repeat this action for the lock button. You should hear the doors lock and unlock, confirming successful remote synchronization. This ensures your key can remotely lock and unlock your vehicle, providing full functionality. While many keys can be programmed manually, some situations require professional assistance. If you encounter persistent issues, or if your vehicle's immobilizer light remains on, it is best to consult a qualified locksmith or dealership. They possess specialized diagnostic tools that can access your car's computer system for advanced programming. Attempting complex procedures without the correct equipment could potentially damage your vehicle's electronics. Always prioritize safety and the integrity of your car's systems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.